Hey guys, the Preacher here, and today I'm bringing you a Minecraft tutorial where you will find out how to make a Bukkit 1.7.2 server. This tutorial will also work for any previous or future version of Bukkit. So if you did not know what Bukkit is, it's pretty much a normal Minecraft server where you can put in plugins and whatnot to enhance Minecraft gameplay. So let's get straight into it. So first you want to go to wherever you want and do a new folder. So we're going to right click in the folder that we want to make a new folder, and then new folder, and then just name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Bukkit tutorial, and yeah, now we're just going to open up that, and there's nothing in here. So so now we want to go into this description, and we're gonna and you're gonna find this link, okay, dl.bukkit.org/download/craftbukkit, and on the right you're gonna see recommended build, beta build, and development build. Since the recommended build isn't updated for the version we want, 1.7.2, we're gonna get the development build, which is 1.7.2. So we're just gonna click on that. Since I have a firewall, it'll ask me to keep or discard. I'm gonna do keep, of course. Since I've already downloaded this right here, I'm gonna cancel that, and I'm gonna drag this into the folder that we made. So it's gonna say copying one item. Once it's done, to make things easier on ourselves, we're gonna rename this. And then we're gonna just delete everything except for the craft bucket. So now then that we're done with that, we want to right click again, and we want to inside of the folder, and we want to do a text document this time. So we'll name this whatever you want. This is what you're going to be using to open your server. So I'm going to name this start. And then we're going to open start, and you're going to go into the description again, where you'll see these Java text things, whatever you want to call them. So since we're doing this for Windows, not Linux or Mac, we're gonna take this. Thing. We're gonna right click and copy it, and then we're gonna go back into the file, and then we're gonna right click and paste. So now you're gonna see all of this. You can if you have room on your computer for more space, you can increase this, like double it. This is currently 1 gigabyte of RAM. If you want to have more, if you want to have more space on your server for more things, and it'll be less lag, then you can double it to 2 gigabytes. Like that, and then like 2048, whatever you want, and I'm just gonna keep it as 1 gigabyte for now, cause I don't know, it's a tutorial. So then you want to do save as. You want to keep all of that, and then you want to do .bat at the end. Okay, so you want to save that, and inside of the folder you're gonna see start Windows batch file. So here we are. It's you can delete that old one, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna double click on this, and or you could just right click and do open, but whatever. And then it's gonna start getting a bunch of new files into this folder, and here we are. It's gonna start preparing the spawn area. Once it's complete, you can go onto your server. So first, what we want to do is get a now I'm going to show you what all of these files do. So first, the world nether, world the end, and all of these are just the world data inside of your Minecraft server. So inside, it's going to be data, players, region, blah blah blah. Okay, and yeah, so that's all there is. If you want to download a Minecraft map and then put it onto your server, you just delete it, whatever. That's for a different tutorial. Now here we have logs. So here's the latest log where this is what happened the last time I opened my server. So this is what it said on the console, what time it was, and what was happening, preparing spawn area, all of this stuff. And this is like starting Minecraft server. It's over here. It will also say if someone used a command or something like that, and then you can check that on here. So if I open my Minecraft server again, I'll show you. So it's starting up the server. It's gonna say starting Minecraft server on server 1.7.2. Okay, we're gonna close that again, and I'll show you logs. Now you're gonna see this is the latest and what just happened, and this is the old one. We're gonna open with Notepad++, and what? Okay, apparently doesn't want to work now. I think it's because I accidentally put it as a WinZip file. Whatever, Notepad. But I don't know. We'll figure that out later. So yeah, here it is. All of the logs. Now plugins. If you want to download a plugin from the plugins server, the plugins website or whatever, I don't know, just if you want to download a plugin, if you have one already, you just drag all of them into this file and you're good. And then you run your server and then you have your plugins. You can also do reload if you want to do it. You can just go in here, type in reload, and then it's going to reload and check if there's anything new inside of the plugins file. If there is, it's going to add that, and your server will temporarily lag. Now I already told you what these are. What did I just do? I don't care. Just a tutorial. Now banned IPs, if you want to put in an IP of a player, so and you want them to be banned, they cannot log in, or any person cannot log in with their IP again. So if you want to ban a player, anyone with their username will not be able to go on your server again until you like unban them or whatever. Bukkit.yml, we're going to open this with Notepad. It's going to say a bunch of stuff. If you want to allow the end, warn on overload, you can figure that all on yourself because it's self-explanatory. Craftbukkit, do not touch that whatsoever. Help.yml, here's a bunch of stuff you need to know about Bukkit. You can read that. Ops, if you want to opt yourself on your server like me, I'm going to opt myself right now. This is my Minecraft username. Then I will be opt on my server. You can also do /op ustuff11 or whatever your name is, and that person will be opt. Now the server properties file. This has a bunch of stuff you need about your Minecraft server, and it's pretty much your main thing to modify stuff on your server. Online mode, snooper, whatever, op permission level, all that stuff. This is to start your server and whitelist. If you put whitelist as true inside of your Minecraft server properties file, which is at the bottom, I think, somewhere towards the bottom. I don't know, whatever. If you're gonna find whitelist, here it is. And if you put this as true, any name that's in here, it will be allowed on your server. Any name that's not on there will not be allowed on your server. So that's pretty much it for this Bukkit server tutorial, and sure, that's it. And I hope you enjoyed. I hope this worked. If you have any problems, state in the comments and I will reply as soon as I can, and I'll see you guys next time.